If you don't know me, hey, what's up? My name's Sky, and I love Adams Polishes, and they sponsor me. I've been with Adams for a handful of years now, and I'm very grateful for them, and they came out with a new low-profile floor jack, so let's talk about that. Okay, so this jack's gonna cost you $249.99, but if you get the jack and jack stands deal that they have, at least they have it right now as I'm making this video, it'll run you $379.99. I opted for the jack and the jack stand deal. I figured I shouldn't have one over the other, I should have both, so here we are. If you decide to buy the jack and jack stands, there is a $20 shipping fee, I believe. But you know, whatever. So the lowest of this jack will go is 3 inches, which is kind of stagnant where it is right now, and the highest it will go is up to 20 inches. Obviously, you could do it like this, but they also have a floor stamping thing to quickly jack it up. To release, it's just the usual twist. Well, that was quite the noise. But yeah, just usual jack things. Twist to the left, and it lowers. This jack is a 2.5 ton jack, meaning that it has a huge capacity. 5,500 pounds to be exact. This might be a better angle. One of the many perks of this jack is that it has a rotating, removable, and padded jack saddle. Adams just really thinks of everything. It also is very durable, it's made out of steel, and also polyurethane. And that's what makes it roll actually really quiet. It's not like other jacks where it makes an earth-shattering, holy sh**, this is loud as noise. Because I absolutely hate that when other jacks do that. It's also all black, which is super sleek and also pretty much my aesthetic because I only wear dark colors, if colors at all. Here's a disclaimer though. When you order this and it gets delivered to you, it will come in a box, and that box doesn't contain instructions. So here is how you assemble it. I'm sorry if I look sweaty, it's hot outside. Anyways, so this little doodad will come attached to part of your jack. This little thing restricts the handle from going into that part of the jack. This is just super easy to unhook. You can see the hooks here and take it off. Then you're easily able to slide that handle in. However, it will initially not go in. You need to loosen a bolt. Here's the bolt that I'm talking about. It's super easy. You can probably do it with your hands with a little bit of like muscle, or you can use a wrench, whatever works. But yeah, loosen that, and then that handle will fully go in. Tighten that bolt again, and you'll be ready to operate. It took us longer to figure that out than I'd like to actually admit. When I've ever used someone else's jack, it was already set up for me, so I've never had to do that. I felt kind of dumb. But yeah, this jack is just so far really amazing quality. I really like it. It's aesthetically pleasing, per usual. It's Adams. I haven't actually gotten to use it yet. I kind of have prepared for it. As you can see, I am like, oh my god, fully aired up. I have to get in and out of my driveway fully aired up. But I was like, maybe I'll see my jack points underneath my car and do a little test. But I've just decided I'm going to wait because I do have some projects I do need to work on. But yeah, this is my Adams Polishes review. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh my god. That was not comfortable on my butt.